Hi guys, welcome back in my channel. This time I will share the best smartwatch that I ever used. This one is using GPS and Wi-Fi connection and BTS, but it's better with GPS and Wi-Fi tracker, so you know exactly where is your kid at the time. So, but in the first time you really need to install in your SIM card setting 4G connection, and this thing you just need to this is for SIM card, not a side. I will open this little bit time. Okay, you see, I already put the SIM card inside. So now I will close again. I only open for showing you. So I will lock again. Screwdriver. So you see, with this thing, you just click the hold this a little bit longer. You can choose the display. Can choose a display. For example, just took this one. This user that my son use. Have you this will put SIM card. This button for SOS emergency call. If pressed longer, so it's go to SOS number. You can setting by application. This is the camera. So the menu, just need to touch the home button. Scroll down, you see the connection 4G and up, and the battery still 95%. So in here the menu, contact, friends, phone, widget, video call, camera, gallery. This childhood can use, the kids can learn math in here. Match game run for sample, so it's correct or no. So replay or finish, you just click the home menu. This schedule you can put from the application, the schedule from school schedule from your kid. In my opinion, this watch really good because you don't need to give your kids smartphone or another phone, only using watch, but they can call you if they need something, or you can track them and you can call them if you need. Also, if they in emergency, they just press the button and they can call anyone who already in the list in the phone. Like this one, this is my number, my husband, and the grandpa. So, but they only can call anyone that's already in the phone list, the phone, the contact list. The other they couldn't call, so you can control them anytime. Video call, camera, and setting, you can set the HEC, mobile network, Wi-Fi, brightness, torch, launcher style, 4 on 1. If you click 1, for example, you click 1, this is must scroll down. You see, it's scrolling up and down. If you choose torch, so if you want to change the display setting again, just go to setting and then find launcher style again, click 4. So come back to menu, and click setting. As for volume, for sleep, it's mean this is time up for the smartwatch. In here also you can setting the language, click more, so date and setting, language available in Bahasa Indonesia, Bahasa Melayu, Deutsch, German, English, Spanish, French, Italian, Catalan, some few languages. So, but I just choose English. Oops, I got wrong. So, I click English again. So, out. Yeah. So call emergency, just click this longer. So mom, I setting with my number. Take picture. And also you can use, if you see an application store, app store, you can use WhatsApp. So you can install also WhatsApp, Line, calendar, Google Translate, calculator. So you just press the middle again, touch the middle screen, so you go to the main menu. I will show you the application name. Wait a moment. As you see, SA Tracker 2. Just click this. You put the email address. Okay. And then later come. Open like this screen. You just put the email number behind from this. Can the barcode also you put inside in this thing. And then choose who using the application, mom, dad, grandpa, grandma, brother, sister. You have the option. And then I just, for example, I just click that because I have another phone as a mom in my other phone. So click OK. I will try to for example like this, click OK, and the equipment, put the name, so you see it's already connected. But you need to authorize from the other phone first. So if my phone, this watch is really cool. Yeah, you can check few menu in here. Last time I ordered with extra one strap. The seller gave me one sticker for the inside the box. and one screwdriver. And this, the name is Kids GPS smartwatch, waterproof, model LT21. Last time I ordered is around 60 euro or something. You can check online and internet, because in different area, different countries with different price. But I can say this watch is better than smartphone, because if you give your kids smartphone, they only play with the phone all the time. My opinion is not really good. If your kids just in the first class or until sixth grade, first grade until sixth grade, better just give them smartwatch so they don't play anytime with the phone. They only can check the time, and then we can track them accurate, because using GPS and Wi-Fi, they can call you if they need something, and you can call and track them. So in my opinion, it's better you give smartwatch than use a phone. So this review for today, and I still have another watch, but this one only use BTS tracker. It's not really accurate the location, but still okay, I can say. This is the same method, but I still found the other one is better. The price also, this one a little bit lower, so same function, but more in the other one. I have also in here the game, match game, same system. So guys, if you have any question for this watch, you can ask me and leave a comment, so I will give you answer. Or you can contact me also by Instagram, you can see in my bio. Thank you for watching.